I got some nail mail. I got some nail mail. Hey besties, I am so excited for today's video because we are testing a new brand to the channel. As you could tell from the title of the video, we are testing out Varnail gel polishes today. It says pretty things inside. And I have seen some people unbox their stuff before, and I know that their packaging is just always so pretty. Look at their bubble wrap. It is hearts. How freaking cute is that? I've never had heart bubble wrap before, so I appreciate the little details like that, and I will definitely be saving this. I think it is adorable. So we got this beautiful packaging with the gold accents, which I love. These are 15 ml bottles, and there is 6 of them. They are cruelty and vegan friendly, and they are Big 5 free, meaning the 5 top most harmful ingredients in gel polishes are not in Varnail gel polishes. So that is awesome. And then we have their contact information and all their socials. And it also says that these take about 60 to 90 seconds for dry time as well, which I found it did not take 90 seconds. These did only take 30 to 60 seconds to fully cure. But look at how pretty their bottles are. Oh, I am such a sucker for packaging, I swear. And these gel polish bottles are beautiful. They fit my aesthetic for my nail area so well. Look at how pretty. Majority of my stuff is pink and gold, so I love these bottles. Super cute. And I love that you can add that little colored swatch on the top of the bottles, which I do. So these are all jelly colors, which I love a good jelly. That's like one of the first things I love to test from a brand is their jelly colors, because a good jelly I have found is very hard to find. So our first one up is lightning pink, and this one is beautiful. It's that like super vibrant, fluorescent, just hot pink color, and I love their brushes. The next color up is cocktail cherry, and this is a beautiful, beautiful jelly red. So pretty. Our next one up is lemon water. This is a really, really nice yellow jelly color as well. The next one up is ice lime. This is actually one that I end up using in today's nail set. So pretty. Our next one up is Caribbean Blue, which is a very, very beautiful, deeper jelly blue. So pretty. And then our final one is Jelly Magenta, which is another color that we end up using in today's nail set. Very pretty purple jelly. All right, so I did add the little color swatch on top of the bottles, so you get a little sneak peek. But I will go ahead and let this part play out and let you enjoy seeing all the swatches. And before I go, can we just acknowledge how pretty that pink is? My goodness. One coat, that's all you need. And I do only add one coat to all the swatch sticks as well.
I hide deep under the sea.
So here is all of our colors all swatched out. Again, I did only do one coat on these swatch sticks, but that's all they really needed. These are actually very, very pigmented. I was very impressed with these. The colors are absolutely stunning. And if you guys are interested in picking this up, I will have these products listed down below as well as my discount code. So be sure to check that out. All right, so onto our nail design. I'm gonna start with this really pretty silver cat eye gel polish that I have from Born Pretty, and I'm just gonna apply an even coat across all of them. I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with my magnet, and once I have the gel how I like it, I will pop it in the nail lamp for 30 seconds to cure. So pretty. It just adds a nice little touch to a nail set, you know? I love a good cat eye, and this one is just one of my favorites. So, taking the ice lemon and the jelly magenta, I'm gonna just make some little slime drippies, alternating the colors on each nail. So from purple to green to purple to green, curing for a full 30 seconds in between, which again is all that I found that they needed. Even though it was thicker on the drippy areas, these did only take 30 seconds to cure. So I will get the drippies applied to the nail how I like it, cure that, and then I will come back when it is time to top coat. So now I'm just going to finish this nail set off with some top coat, and because I do want to keep that 3D element, I make sure to brush around the little like blob drippy area is really good. So not a bunch of the top coat builds up around that. And then I just pop it in the nail lamp for a final 30 seconds to cure. So freaking cute. These are so simple, such a beginner-friendly nail design, and they scream Halloween. And I was trying to keep on the Halloween theme, even though these were a neon jelly set. But I really enjoyed working with these Varnail gels. I would highly recommend these if you are looking for very pigmented jelly colors that you would only really need one coat with, or if you're looking for that syrup gel kind of gels. These hands down are one of the best. They stack right up there with Madame Glam's jelly colors. So I really, really enjoyed these. Their packaging is beautiful. So again, if you would like to test these out and want to save a little shmoney, be sure to check out the description and use my code. A huge thank you to Varnail for sending these over. And if you enjoyed today's video, if you could leave it a like, it would help me out more than you know, besties. Also, if you are not subscribed yet, smash that subscribe button. But that is it for this one. I love you all so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!